We love our friends or many different type of relationships during our lifetime. We all want to enjoy life with our friends. Most people have one or more friends in their lifetime. When we start a new friendship with a person, sometimes that friendship can be romantic. It can be from our school days friendship or any kind of relationship in our lifetime. We never think about the possibility that the friendship that started like that can end forever. However, it is inevitable that eventually some of our friends will no longer be in our life. People break up for various reasons, and not every friendship lasts our lifetime. Although a deep love relationship can be expected to last our lifetime, it can also change at an unexpected moment in our lifetime. In my video today, I will show you some of the reasons why most of us ended our relationships. When you feel like one of your friends is drifting apart, these factors can help you think through the reasons why that person doesn't want to be friends with you anymore. Your friendship may end due to these common reasons. Change in nature of living. When you no longer live together or do not do any events together, that may be the reason to end your friendship. Such as you don't work together now, talk less, meet up less, or don't go to any events together as you used to earlier. If I tell you directly what it means, if you don't participate in anything with your friend, your friendship may end. Distant from where you live. Earlier, you used to live very close with your friend, but due to some reason, you had to move to a much far place from your friend, which also led to the end of your relationship. Unacceptable or underestimate. Unlike usual, if you do not accept your friend's constant or do any underestimation, it can lead to the end of your friendship. Less enjoyment. If your friend is enjoying life less with you, then your friendship will end for that reason. If I say more about it, earlier your friend used to appreciate your conversation, meet up, organize trips or events, and enjoy many things. But nowadays it is not like that. I have shown you only a very few reasons in this video because of end your friendship. There are many other reasons too. But if you can find solution for these few reasons that I have shown in this video, you can make your friendship even stronger and it will remain for a long time, a lifetime. So I think what I have shown in this video, you may know a little about what are the common reasons to end your friendship or relationship. So if you think today's video is good for you, then like it. Share this video with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button and select all to enable the notification. And also write your valuable ideas, suggestions below in the comment section. I wish you a happy life. Thank you for watching this video.